Hello friends, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create comparison table in your WordPress website for promoting Amazon affiliate products. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel at the end of the video. Stay tuned with me. Let's get started without wasting the time. So what you have to do is you have to just install this plugin which is in front of you with the name AAWP. It's a great plugin for Amazon affiliates. It is a lifesaver for all of us because it has lot of features that you can't imagine while promoting your Amazon products from your Amazon affiliate niche websites. So what you have to do is you need to install this plugin before creating comparison table, and make sure you connect your Amazon API. It's a paid plugin. Okay, so let's jump in how I created my affiliate table. So when you log in into a dashboard, you will see this icon. Just click on tables icon, and I have already created one table in this via this plugin, okay, for this website. Now I'm going to create another table from scratch for you guys so that you will see all the process. So let's click on add new, and you can name the table as per your convenience so that it will be easy for you to understand. So if I'm going to create a table for a particular post, so I'm going to use a title, for example RTX 270 2070 versus super. So I'm going to copy this and paste it as a label for this table. Okay, now the name of the table has been set. Don't change any of the settings, just go down. Now you need to add the products. Okay, so there are two ways to add the products, one by using ASIN number and another way to use via search for products. So ASIN number is has been given to all the products on Amazon website, so it will be very difficult. So I'm going to use search for products, and once you click on this, just enter the name of the keyword that you want to uh, search for from Amazon, and it will show you lot of options as you can see. So I'm going to select one option uh, like this one, and once you select, just click on confirm selection. And if you want to go for another product, then change the keyword and select for that product as well, the same way that we did for the previous product. Let's select MSI gaming this time and click on confirm selection. Okay, now if you want to highlight a particular table of product, or you want to recommend a product to your users based on the uh, based on the verification or troubleshooting that you have done for the product during the review process, so you can highlight that particular thing as well, but I'm going to tell you in the later stage. Let's start with the values part. So these are the default values you can add for a product. For example, title, thumbnail, price, prime status, something, a lot of things are there. So I'm going to enter the name of the product and label that particular row as title. Now I want to show the image of the product, then I will click thumbnail as a value from Amazon and put it as a preview as a label for the table. Now let's move on the next option. Let's click on I want to show the price as well, so I am going to select price and give it as a price label. I want to show the reviews as well, so I want to, and I will enter reviews here, and let's connect another row. You can add custom text if you want to add manual values or show more values in the table. Let's click on custom text, and I want to show, for example, a manual value with the name memory size. Let's move on the next option. Now I want to send the user to the buy now. So I will click on buy now button and label it as a details as the label of the row. So you can see all these default value rows are coming for the tables, and you can move the position of the values up and down by using this icon. Now the point is, if you want to recommend a particular product to your user, then you can add or highlight that product via using highlight product option. For example, you want to show your table with this editor choice as a recommended option for your product. You can do this by clicking on that particular product that you want to highlight and click on a particular color that you want to highlight as a color for that product. And once you select the color, just enter the value that you want to show for that product, as a, for example, best choice product, affordable choice. I am going to enter editor choice. Once you do that, click on publish button, so that now we will be able to see how this is going to look like. You just need to copy the shortcode from the right side and place it accordingly where you want to show that particular product comparison table. Let's wait for few seconds to load the post. For example, I want to add this shortcode just just below this headline. Okay, now you can preview that particular comparison table before publishing it on your final post, so that you will be confident that you are posting the right thing in your post. So you can see, like, I have highlighted this particular product, and you can see it looks amazing now, and it is mobile responsive as well. You can see this looks good on mobile as well. There is no distortion in the design, and that's all guys in this video. And if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next videos. Take care. Bye bye.